The storm start.
Yeah.
Wow, see here your favorite color, the purple.
Yeah.
How much
Red
nice.
and this and this.
2, 1, go.
Hello everybody! Today, welcome to our video experiment. My name is Aurora. My dad is here.
Hi.
My sister Yana's here.
Say
playing
hi.
with these cups.
Today we will make an experiment.
Yes.
It's what is it?
It's going to be a color snowstorm.
Color storm. We'll make it rainbow storm.
Yes, you know before in Omega only a white.
Yeah, we make snowstorm before. Now we'll make it a rainbow storm.
I love rainbow. I love rainbow.
And Diana is so much excited. She wants to start.
That's the one in there used before.
So first we need to use these cups.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Give me this extra. We'll put a
Water.
warm water.
Yes, but I was going to do it because I'm a grown up. This part, grown ups need to do it. Because kids can make it a little messy. Yes,
Yes.
Daddy?
Yes. Diana, this is not this experiment will do. Huh. We'll use this mixer. Take it. This for you, Aurora.
That's so hot.
Let's start with the colors.
Yeah, ready for the game.
Yeah. Here, I'll put for you here, Diana.
Baba, please.
First, we need to remove the cover from here. Wait, Diana, please, Baba. I need tissue. Tissue.
Tissue's coming. Tissue's coming. Tissue's coming.
Thank you. Who wants red color? Diana.
I want red color.
Diana wants it. I'll put it for you here, Diana.
I want to have red color.
Oh.
I want to have red color.
Okay, mix it. I'll give Diana green. Mix it good, okay?
Oh, it's good.
Green color for Diana.
Oh.
Take.
Peach color for me.
Yeah, mix the red good first.
I mixed the red good already. I'm just getting up from my this. No. Stay there.
Mix. You mix here, Diana. You mix here. Mix it good.
Mix it good.
So all the colors, this acrylic color that we use it will be melted with the water. Nice. Okay, me? Diana, you mixing good also?
Brown.
So now we done mixing. We'll move the sticks.
Yeah. I need to remove all the sticks. I'm going to use these colors and Baba's going to use these colors.
Okay. Move it back little.
My colors. And
Now this is
for me.
the baby oil that we'll use it.
Lena.
It's okay, Anna. You here, please mix only.
Yeah, these are mine.
Baby oil.
No,
And
Yana.
this is baby oil. Another baby oil.
Yana's doing.
Yes. Oh, Yana. Yeah. Let's continue. Now transfer the color to the baby oil cups.
Going to mix colors. Oopsie daisy.
First, make it first. No. Here. Don't mix the colors. Like this, Aurora. 1, 2, 3.
Give me. Okay.
Take this, Yana, for you.
Oh.
This here. The yellow. Stand. More. Put it all. Good, Aurora. Yes, good job.
But I make a little mess.
It's okay. We have tissue.
Yes, only me.
Oh, there is also, we had accident. Yes, we had accident with Yana. Let's move this side. Come see what she did here. Ta-da! Friends, see, the oil and the water with color didn't mix. Why?
Because the water is
Heavy.
heavy and the oil is light.
It's light.
Because they're not mixed together.
That's why it's not
why
mixing.
It's not mixed together.
Now, what we'll use now?
Alka-Seltzer.
Alka-Seltzer.
Look, it's going to happen.
See what will happen? Are you ready for the colorful snowstorm?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes. Here.
This for you, Yana.
Here.
So, but in each cup, 2 pieces.
Here.
In each cup, 2 pieces. Story. Let's.
Comes.
Wow. What happened?
Give me one.
Stop. Put it here. Put in the green.
Green?
Put in the green.
But
Put.
I have one.
That's okay. Put it.
Mine.
Take Yana.
It's almost to explode.
Let's start in the yellow.
Yana.
Share with your sister.
I'll put it here. With other.
Start here. Wow. Which one is working?
This.
So we need to add more.
Me. Okay, give me
Okay.
some. Give me some with me.
Yeah,
For
take
me.
Aurora.
Ooh.
Story, but it's story, okay? It will be nice and funny. The storm start.
Yeah.
Wow, see here your favorite color, the purple.
Yeah.
How much
Red
nice.
and this is my favorite color. Look at the brown. It's starting to explode.
Yeah, here also. This is Yana experiment.
Yes, and it's coming to explode.
Hmm.
It's popping all the time.
Oh, no blowing. No blowing, Yana.
But good. It's not good.
See, look, I put big piece here.
Give me. I have a big piece.
Yeah, take. Not enough blowing, Yana.
Help me. To open it. Help me to open it.
Yeah.
It's so hard. Help me.
So the purple, look in the purple.
Me? I
Yeah.
want to do big.
But for the yellow.
Look at my big one.
But from the yellow.
Okay. 1 and 2. Ooh. Look, it's
So
melting.
more Alka-Seltzer, so it will not stop.
Yeah, give me. I'm gonna put it here.
Here. Wow, nice.
Woo!
I like this experiment.
It's
Look,
not.
look to the green. How much nice. I like the storms.
And look at this. It's look at that big one.
Yeah. Yana, okay.
Yeah, now yours. It's almost to explode.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Let's put 2 pieces in each one.
I'm going to put all.
Okay, put all in the yellow. See, now it's all will work. Let's finish it.
Look, it's super
Ah, wow.
fast. Look, this one is super fast now.
Yeah. It will work for a while, little and stop. Then it will stop. You still want Yana? Yeah, that's for Yana.
Let me mix.
Yeah. Leave that experiment for Yana. Hide it here. Yeah, friends, hope you like our experiment.
Yes.
It's easy experiment. You can do it in the house.
Yes.
See, and you'll enjoy.
Because there's no
Nice.
rainbow snow, you'll see.
Yeah, colorful storm.
Yeah.
Thank you to watch our video. Bye bye.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Say bye bye. Say bye bye, Yana.
Yes.
Bye. Oh, good.
Hello. Over here and over there.